Would you like to make money to share your passion? Well, I can show you exactly what you can do today to share your passion and get some money out of it. So let's dive into action right now. So before we keep going, I invite you guys to subscribe to my channel and click on that little bell in order to receive notification when I post new videos. Also, if you could just give me some comments, give me some likes, I really like it and I reply to every single comments that I receive. So I really appreciate that. It keeps me moving forward and it encourages me a lot to just keep posting videos out there and give you some more value. So what I wanted to show you today is how to make money out of your passion. So we all have passions. We have things that we really love and things that we like to share and things that when we are with our friends, we talk with so much passion. Then why not just take that and go online and just start to make some money with that? There are multiple possibilities and there are so many things that you can share out there, and I'm going to show you the exact sites that you can visit in order to find some offers that you can promote out there to your audience. So let's dive into action right now. I'm going to share my screen with you right away. So I'm going to start with a website called Digistore24. So it's a website full of affiliate offers, and for sure you're going to find something that fits you and that you're really like willing to promote. Like it just depends on what you want to promote. So right now we're in the marketplace. So what I wanted to show you is if you're like a pet lover. So let's just go in the first thing. So you have the Curb the Cat. So it looks like it's an ebook. So you have 80% commission on that ebook, and you're gonna have average of $13. So that's something that you can promote. So looks like there's just one offer for the pet lovers. But let's go into family and kids. So family and kids, 95% commission. You're gonna make commission of $13, and you're gonna have, and that's a book as well. Award-winning Kidpreneur Academy. So perfect product for today's stay-at-home world. So you have really a lot of different products. Let's go see into email marketing. So you're gonna have perpetual income 365. So you're gonna have 50% commission, and average earnings are gonna be $25. So if you go to affiliate support page, you're gonna see here, and they're gonna open a new window, and you're gonna see like everything like that you can do with these offers. So make up to like $343 in commission per sale across all front end and upsells with monthly recurring income. So they describe the product, they're going to give you some reviews, they're going to give you some descriptions. So you're going to have all the information that you know in order to make a review and to go out there to promote that product. So you don't necessarily have to buy that product and try that product for like 8 months before being able to make a review. You can just go there and just look at the information, watch reviews online as well about these products, watch different videos, and then you can promote that. That's the way I do it. So if we go into internet marketing and e-business, that's something that is really big right now. So you have the Tube Mastery and Monetization by Matt Parr, which is a good one. You make a 50% commission and $182 per commission. So he has, I think Matt Parr has a really great affiliate support page, because he's gonna walk you through with his video here. It's 8 minutes, so it's really short. So it's going to walk you through what you should do if you want to promote his product. So click here to sign up. So what you have to do, so you have different directions and things like that. I strongly recommend to promote the webinar. So and he has also he tells you how to promote on YouTube, how to promote on Instagram. He has images. You have YouTube ads already. So he's like full of resource. That's really cool. Branding images. So you have like a bank of, I think, like maybe 20 or 30 images of Matt Parr that are already branded for his product. So that's really, really cool. So Digistore24 is a really nice place if you want to find affiliate products. If you're in fitness and health, which is a really huge niche right now, you see you have over 3 pages of offers. Here you're gonna make 70% commission with earnings of $40 in average. So you have like so many offers. Like keto is so big right now, but the earnings are only $3. So it depends on what you want to do. So if you have like a huge bank of leads, maybe you can go with massive sales of $3 each. But you have like just few leads, you may go with more like high paying offers. So that's the first website that I wanted to walk you through. So it's Digistore 24, and it's mostly for digital stuff. So that's the first thing. So depending on your passions, I would really recommend you to follow your passion in that way, because that's going to be so much easier to make videos out of it, to make Facebook posts of it, and you're just gonna like your job. So the most important thing about that, about being online, is to like what you do. So go on Digistore, find a product that you love and that you're willing to promote and that relates to you, and just promote that to the world. Okay, after that, the other website that I want to show you is ClickBank. ClickBank is probably one of the biggest place with affiliate marketing offers. So it's the same way to work as Digistore 24, but you have also really physical product. So if you go here, you have cooking. You have different categories in cooking. So let's go with barbecue. So I'm not promoting any barbecue things, but with barbecue they have only 3 offers. But then competition barbecue secrets, so you could promote that. Gravity score is not really high. You have to check the gravity score here. But let's go with business investings. So here you have different offers. You can sort results by average conversion. So let's go like that. So oh my god, so here you can do $2,000 per conversion. So stock market Contrarian investors membership site. So but here you see that initial dollar conversion is $200, and the recurring bill, so it's $50. So it's a membership site. So if people subscribe to a membership site and with your affiliate link, you're gonna make money every month out of it. So it's the same kind of way to work than with Digistore, but you really have different possibilities. So it's good to go with both. That's a good way to just find things that you're passionate about, and it's just gonna diversify your wallet of offers, if I can say. And I always suggest to contact here. You have affiliate support contact, so affiliates at DIYhomeenergy.com. So you write to that people and say, do you have already things that are written? Do you have reviews? Do you have videos and stuff like that? Do you have things like, please just help me promote your offer? So you can write a quick email to them, and most of the time people are going to answer you because they're really willing to have people promoting their products. That's how it works. So you're kind of helping their company making more money, so they're going to be really willing to give you information about affiliate offers. So that's a good way. So it's ClickBank, a really good and really huge website about affiliate offers. And the last one is one that is really dear to my heart. It's the affiliate program of Entra Institute. I've joined this training a couple of months ago, and I can tell you it's been a total game changer for me. So if you want to join the affiliate program of Entra Institute, you're going to have a quick training video. So it's 30 minutes, and Jeff Lerner, he's the CEO of the company, he's going to show you and tell you what are the basics of his company. So you're really going to kind of enter in his company in order to really promote it well and know how to promote it properly. What is great about Entra affiliate program is that you can make up to $50,000 sales, and you're gonna make 30% out of it. So you could have an email one day saying that congratulations, you just earned a commission of $15,000 from Entra. So that's kind of an email that I would like to receive one day, and it's something that I think everyone would like to receive. So if you want to join, I'm just going to put the link below to become an affiliate of Entra Institute. Antra Institute has a whole lot of trainings to sell, and they're really complete. They have advisors, they have private consulting, private coaching, they have an elite program, and they have really awesome Facebook groups. So as soon as you join the Antra Affiliate program, you're gonna join the Antra Affiliate Facebook group. So the exclusive community for Antra affiliates, it's really nice. I've joined that as soon as I joined the program, and like right when you have questions, you ask it to the community, and a lot of people are going to answer. And if you have like different questions about whatever you want to promote and how you want to promote and how you can have more results, people are going to be there to help you. So that's a really nice group, and I've been to different group in my life, and I can tell you this one is really responsive. If you post on that, people are gonna answer. They're gonna give you some, like if you post a video and that you're really proud, or if you have results that you're really proud of, you can have like a lot of likes and a lot of Yahoo comments and stuff like that. So it's really a great community to join. So if you want to join the Antra affiliate community, I'm just gonna put the link below. You click on that and you join. It's completely free. So hey, I'm back here. So I really hope you enjoyed that video, and if you want to have more information on how to build a really successful online business, please click on the link below. I'm going to put you the proper training in order to really grow as an affiliate marketer. It's going to be such a pleasure to help you. You can also subscribe to my channel and click on the little bell so you get notification when I post videos, and give me some thumbs up, give me some comments. I always reply to all my comments because I love you guys when you give me some comments. I really love to receive them in my email box, and I'm just like responding like really quickly. So I hope that it gave you some value and that you're going to be able to dive into action in order to make money out of your passion. So enjoy your day and see you next time. Ciao.